Time to replace your old, broken single-pane windows? Window World of West Michigan installs beautiful, sleek replacement windows such as double-hung, casement, bay and bow, sliders and picture windows in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're proud to offer windows built for durability, energy efficiency, value and elegance. Imagine actually enjoying your windows and their beauty? With Window World, you will. Our vinyl frames won't rot or peel like wood. Plus, your window will be 100% custom. Color, size, glass options, grid patterns, etc. Looking for a seamless upgrade? Our family-owned business will be with you from initial consultation to final installation with no pressure, games or fake sales. Window World of West Michigan's windows carry the Good Housekeeping seal, providing true peace of mind, plus are backed by our own limited, lifetime warranty.